Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Warren Buffett, the legendary investor who, at the age of 92, continues to amaze the financial world with his incredible success. From Berkshire Hathaway to his strategic investments, we're going to uncover the secrets behind his wealth and, more specifically, the role dividends play in his success. But before we get into that, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's roll the intro. Warren Buffett's achievements and career milestones. Warren Buffett, often regarded as the greatest investor of all time, has been the CEO and chairman of Berkshire Hathaway since 1965. Now, at the age of 92, he's still at the helm, steering the ship with unparalleled wisdom. A key factor that sets Buffett apart is his ability to grow the value of Berkshire's stock at a compounded annual gain of 20.1%. Almost double the S&P 500's 10.5% over the same period. So, how does he do it? Berkshire's stock growth. The key lies in the power of long-term compounding. Let me break it down for you. If you invested $1,000 in Berkshire, it would have turned into a whopping $36.4 million. In contrast, the same investment in the S&P 500 would have grown to just $302,000. Now, that's a massive difference. Warren Buffett's investment strategy. So, what's Buffett's secret sauce? It's his fundamental understanding of value investing. He views stocks not just as prices and charts but as ownership stakes in real businesses. This perspective requires thinking like a business owner when investing. Buffett's success largely comes from investing in companies with sustainable competitive advantages and holding onto them for the long term. These are businesses with wide economic moats that generate real cash flow. Berkshire Hathaway's subsidiaries. Host. Berkshire Hathaway, Buffett's conglomerate, doesn't pay dividends itself, but it loves receiving them. In 2022, their public stock portfolio is expected to generate over $6 billion in dividend payments. Now, let's break down some of Buffett's current dividend income sources. Transition to dividend stocks. Host. Buffett's largest dividend payer is Chevron, CVX. He acquired 163.53 million shares in 2022, making it his top dividend contributor. Chevron pays a quarterly dividend of $1.42 per share, contributing to Berkshire's expected $928.86 million in annual dividend income. Host displays a graph of Chevron's dividend growth. Host. Chevron is a new addition to Buffett's portfolio. And with its consistent dividend growth, it might soon become his first billion-dollar dividend. Transition to Bank of America and Occidental Petroleum. Host. Next on the list is Bank of America, BAC. Buffett acquired his position in 2011, and with the recent dividend increase, Bank of America is set to pay Berkshire $908.9 million in dividends over the coming year. Another new addition is Occidental Petroleum, Oxy, where Berkshire's expected annual dividend income is $897.95 million. Transition to Apple and Coca-Cola. Host. The tech giant Apple, AAPL, is also a significant contributor, with an expected annual dividend income of $842 million. Buffett started investing in Apple in 2016 and has seen substantial returns. And of course, there's the classic Coca-Cola, Co., with an expected annual dividend income of more than $704 million. Buffett's long-term investment strategy is evident in these holdings. Transition to whiteboard dividend yield on cost. Host. Now, let's talk about dividend yield on cost. This is a crucial metric for Buffett. For example, with Coca-Cola, his dividend yield on cost is an astonishing 54.2%. This means he's more than doubling his initial investment every 2 years through dividends alone. Cut to Warren Buffett's quotes. Host. This strategy aligns with Buffett's philosophy of investing in great businesses at fair prices. And he doesn't specifically target dividend stocks. But many of his holdings pay dividends because they align with his investment preferences. Transition to full portfolio. Host. These 5 stocks make up over 71% of Buffett's expected $6 billion in annual dividend income. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. Berkshire Hathaway has a massive portfolio of fully owned businesses. And Buffett uses the cash flow from dividends and these businesses to reinvest and fuel the compounding machine. Transition to Berkshire Hathaway's dividend policy. Host. Now, you might wonder why Berkshire Hathaway itself doesn't pay dividends. Well, that's a larger discussion. If you're curious, I've covered it in a separate video. The essence is that Buffett prefers reinvesting earnings to increase future earning power, contributing to the company's remarkable wealth-building journey. Closing scene. Host. And there you have it, the fascinating world of Warren Buffett's dividend success. His long-term perspective, focus on quality businesses, and the power of compounding have played a monumental role in his investing journey. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to subscribe and check out more content on my channel, Dividend Dose. Until next time, happy investing.